Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to enable data saver mode in Twitter app for Android. Okay, so this is my Android smartphone, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Twitter app and then log into your Twitter account. So let me find my Twitter app. So here is my Twitter app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened, and you can see I'm already logged into my Twitter account. If you haven't, just log in. Okay, and after that you have to tap on your profile picture at the top left. So let me tap on this, and then you have to tap on this settings and privacy, and after that guys you have to come to this general section, and here we have this data usage. So you have to tap on this data usage. Okay, and you can see guys, here we have this data usage screen opened, and here we have this data saver section. You can see the data saver currently disabled, and also guys, here we have this message. Let's read that. When enabled, videos won't autoplay and lower quality images load. This automatically reduces your data usage for all Twitter accounts on this device. Okay, so in order to enable that, what you need to do, you have to tap on this box next to this data saver. So let me tap on this in order to check this, and you can see guys, it's now checked and we have this data saver mode enabled. And after that you can go back by tapping on this back button. Okay, let me go back again. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily enable data saver mode in Twitter app for Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.